Alright, so this video is about finding the mean, median, and mode, and the range. So we can give you this data set, and we're going to find each one of those. The first thing might be easy to find, might be the mean. The mean means the average. So the mean means the average, and you're going to add all those up. You're going to divide them by the total. So the average of these numbers, you'll simply plug in the calculator. 0 plus 1 plus 5 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 7. You're going to divide that by the total number of digits, and it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 7 digits. So that gives you a sum of 19 over 7. You plug in the calculator 19 divided by 7, you should get about 2.71. So my mean is about 2.71. Again, the mean means the average. It means you get the sum of all those numbers and divide by the total number of digits in the list. So my mean is 2.71. The second part says find the median. The median is the middle number once you put it in order from smallest to largest. So my smallest number is 0. The next number is 1. They have a second one, so I put that in my list when I'm reordering it. The next number up is 2. Then after that you have a 3. And then 5, and then 7. So those are the numbers in order from least to greatest. So now that I have them in order from least to greatest, I want to find the number in the middle. And this is the easiest way to find a number in the middle. I would take the first number and the last number and strike them off. Then the next and the next to the last. And then the third one and the third from the last. And you should see a number in the middle. The number in the middle here is 2. So my median is 2. So remember, median means the number in the middle. Sometimes you have two numbers in the middle. This has an odd number of data, so you only got one number in the middle. But sometimes you got problems with two numbers in the middle, and then you add those up and divide by 2. We'll talk about that next. The mode is the most occurring number. So the mode is a number that occurs the most amount of times. In this case, the 1 occurred twice. There's nothing else occurred twice or more. So 1 is my mode. It's the number that occurred the most. And the last thing is your range. The range is simply the largest number subtract the smallest number. So my largest number is 7. And my smallest number is 0. So 7 subtract 0 is 7. So my range is 7. And that's how you find the mean, the median, the mode, and the range. I got one more like it. And this one, I gave you an even number of data points. The only difference it's going to make is in finding the median. Everything else is the same. So to find the mean, we're still going to add all these numbers up and divide by the total. So again, mean is the average. So you're going to take all those numbers, you're going to add them up and divide it by the total number. So you can add up each of these and divide by the total number of digits. In this case, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 numbers here. So we'll take that sum. If you plug in the calculator, that sum is 215 and divide it by 6. That should give you 35.83 repeating. So basically about 35.83. So that would be my mean, 35.83. My median is the middle number. So again, you have to take these numbers and place them in order. So my smallest number is 20, and they occur twice. So these are used. The next number up is 25. The next number up is 30. And then 45. And then 75. So now I can find my median, which is the middle number. So when I strike off the first and last, and then the next, and the next to the last, these two both are the last two left. So that means I have a middle number. I don't have a middle number. So to find it, I take these two and add them, and then divide it by 2. So I would have 25 plus 30, and divide that by 2 to find my median. So it gives you 55 over 2, and I'm pretty sure it's 27.5. So my median is 27.5. That's the number in the middle of all of that. So my median is 27.5. So I want to make sure I explain how to do that. We got an even number of data points where you have to add up the two middle numbers. My mode is my most occurring number. In this case, you see the 20 occurs the most because it's two of those. And the last thing is my range. All right, so my range is largest, take away smallest. So my range is going to be 75, which is my largest. My smallest is 20. So 75 take away 20 should be 55. Make sure with the calculator though. It is. So that's my mean, median, mode, and range. That's all I have. Good luck.